In this video, we listed the 5 best mini robot vacuum cleaner that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. SwitchBot Robot Vacuum. The SwitchBot Robot Vacuum Cleaner K10 Plus is a compact, efficient cleaning solution designed for a variety of surfaces, including hard floors, tiles, and carpets. It features advanced LiDAR navigation, offering 90% more cleaning coverage with enhanced maneuverability, even in tight spaces. The vacuum has strong suction power of 2,500 pascals, effectively cleaning large debris and fine particles. With a 4L base station, it offers up to 70 days of hands-free cleaning by automatically collecting dust into a hygienic bag. Additionally, it operates quietly at just 48 dB, minimizing noise disturbances. The K10 Plus also includes auto-recharging, customizable cleaning plans through an app, and voice control compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant, providing a smart and efficient cleaning experience. Number 2. Shark RV2501AE AI Vacuum. The Shark RV2502AE is a powerful, bagless robotic vacuum with advanced features like LiDAR navigation and a self-cleaning brush roll, designed to make home cleaning effortless. Equipped with a self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days of dirt, it also features HEPA filtration to trap 99.97% of dust and allergens. Its ultra-clean mode delivers 30% better carpet cleaning performance, while the vacuum's AI laser navigation ensures precise, row-by-row cleaning, detecting and avoiding obstacles. Ideal for pet owners, it captures 50% more pet hair without hair wrap. Control the vacuum easily through the Shark Clean app or voice commands via Alexa and Google Assistant. Number 3. iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. The iRobot Roomba J7 Plus is a highly intelligent and efficient robot vacuum designed for a superior cleaning experience. It features imprint smart mapping, which allows you to control and schedule cleaning for specific rooms, while also storing multiple floor maps for easier navigation across different levels. Equipped with precision vision navigation and a camera, it can avoid obstacles such as pet waste, cords, and furniture in real time. The Roomba J7 Plus boasts powerful suction, a 3-stage cleaning system, and dual multi-surface rubber brushes that adapt to different floor types. Additionally, it automatically empties its dustbin into the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal system. With voice control integration through Amazon Alexa and Google Home, you can spot clean or schedule the robot to clean while you're away, ensuring convenience and hands-free operation. It also guarantees to avoid pet accidents with its Pet Owner Official Promise, POOP. Number 4. AIRROBO Robot Vacuum. The AIRROBO T20 Plus is a versatile robot vacuum that combines advanced features to deliver a seamless cleaning experience. Equipped with USLAM Air 5.0 and LiDAR navigation, it creates accurate maps and avoids obstacles with 360 degrees anti-collision and fall prevention. The self-emptying station with a 3.5L dust bag allows for up to 60 days of hands-free cleaning. It also offers a 3-in-1 function, sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping, along with multiple suction and water output levels for various floor types. The ultra-thin design and HEPA filter ensure effective pet hair removal, while the long battery life, up to 180 minutes, and smart control options, app, voice, or remote, make it highly convenient. Ideal for hard floors, wood, low carpet, and pet hair, the T20 Plus delivers exceptional performance with ease of use. It also supports a 12-month warranty and professional customer service. Number 5. Mova S10 Vacuum Cleaner. The Mova S10 robotic vacuum cleaner is designed for optimal cleaning performance, particularly for pet owners. With a powerful 7,000 pascals suction, it effectively removes dust, pet hair, and debris from various surfaces, including hard floors, carpets, and tiles. Its smart carpet cleaning feature adjusts suction power automatically, ensuring deeper cleaning on carpets without moisture damage. The vacuum utilizes precise mapping and smart navigation to avoid obstacles, ensuring efficient cleaning. The Mover S10 is also compatible with voice and app controls, allowing users to customize settings, control cleaning modes, and even set virtual boundaries. With a long-lasting battery, it covers up to 1,884 square feet on a single charge, making it an ideal solution for comprehensive cleaning.